Okay, continuing with our diagnosis of different problems that could happen with a fan, I'm going to go ahead and show you one that's probably going to be the most obvious of all of them. Now I'm looking at this from the return air so you can see it well. Normally you just see the front of the furnace. So when I put power to the fan, this is what happens. Okay, I don't know if you heard the breaker kick off, but it did kick off. And I don't know if you noticed the smoke or not. This has bad windings. I'll kick that breaker back on and we'll try it again and we'll see what happens then. Now here I put a clamp meter on this to see what kind of amp draw I'm going to be reading. Now I've used the white, which is a common lead. That's the one I'm clamping. So let's kick this thing on one more time. Oh, okay, you can see what the amp draw was. Obviously that's enough to kick this silly thing off. So in this one I don't have to go any farther. There's a short in the motor, it's kicking off the breaker. That's what probably, when I came down and first looked at the furnace, I found there's no power to it. And then I checked the breaker is kicked off. I kick it on, and yeah, fan motor, obviously you could hear little bits in there, plus it was drawing way more amperage than it should have drawn. It's dead. So I'm going to have to replace that motor. This is not an issue with a capacitor or anything like that. This motor's just failed. And that's it on this one.